Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be stitching with a piece of yarn, and our needle is going to be a piece of tape that Mrs. Walker is going to wrap around your yarn. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, so that we have a starting point, you'll see that on your paper that Mrs. Walker gives you, it's going to have two colors, and they're open here except for some staples. You're going to start at the first staple, and you're going to stitch all the way around to the other staple, and then we're going to stop, and we're going to fill this with some paper, some stuffing to make it like a little pillow. Okay, so we're going to start by taping one end of our yarn. We're going to tape it right inside here. So I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to stick it inside, just right on the side where you're going to start stitching. And if this should already be done for you, but if it's not, it should be coming out right by that first staple. Okay, and so we're going to go through the hole, and we're going to pull until it's nice and snug. Okay, and then we're going to bring our string back, and we're going to come back to this green side, or whatever side you start on. You're going to stay on that color. I'm going to go down the green side and pull it out of the orange side. I'm just going to pull. And each time it's going to loop around. Okay, so now I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go down the green side. Don't switch sides, okay? Go down the green side like that. And then you're going to come, oops, oh, I almost switched. I almost forgot. So now I'm coming out of the orange. I'm going to loop around and go down the green side. Each time you're looping around the outside edge. So see, this one could loop, it could loop right here, or it could be over there. It would be okay either way. Now I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go down the green and out the orange. Pull. Okay, and get my needle again. Go down the green side, pull it through the orange. Okay, then go down the green side. Each time I'm looping around the outside edge here. Okay, so I'm going to have this kind of cool little pattern that it's going to make around the edge like this. Okay, and I'm going to keep going. I want you to keep going until you get back to your other staple. Do you see that silver staple right there? That's your stop. We're going to stop there because then we're going to stuff it full of some stuffing, and then Mrs. Walker will have you continue sewing. Okay, so we're going to sew up to the needle, or sorry, up to the up to the staple. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to stop. I'm going to save this because I'm going to use that to seal it up. Now I have made a little pocket, or a little pillow, if you will, and we're going to fill that with some stuffing. Mrs. Walker will bring out some stuffing and we'll stuff it, and then after we put our stuffing in, we're going to continue sewing. Same thing we did. We're going to go down on the same side. We're going to sew it shut. Okay, when yours is completely sewn shut, you're going to bring it to Mrs. Walker and I'll knot it for you. Okay, or we'll tape off the last piece. I'm not sure what thing we're going to do. Okay, all right, have fun practicing your stitching.